Are you ready to discover the meaning of the Hermit Tarot card? Well, in this video, I'm going to reveal exactly what this card means in any tarot reading, whether it's love, career, finance, spirituality, or a simple general reading. Plus, I'm going to show you how to interpret this card when it's upright or reversed, so that way you'll never get stuck on this card again. So let's dive in. Now, the Hermit represents isolation, introspection, soul searching, and inner guidance. And the Hermit stands alone on top of a mountain. And this snow-capped range really symbolizes his spiritual mastery, his growth and accomplishment. He has chosen a path of self-discovery, and as a result, he's reached this heightened state of awareness. Now, in his right hand, he holds a lantern, and it has this six-pointed star inside, representing inner wisdom. So as the Hermit walks his path, the lamp lights his way, but it only illuminates his next few steps rather than the full journey. He must step forward to see where to go next, knowing that not everything will be revealed at once. So the Hermit shows that you're taking a bit of a break from everyday life to really draw your energy and your attention inward and find the answers that you seek deep within your soul. You realize that the most profound sense of truth and knowledge is within you, and it's not in all of the distractions of the outside world. So you might feel called to leave behind the mundane and go and set off on a journey of self-discovery, led by your inner wisdom and your guiding light, because now that is the time to go on a weekend retreat or maybe a sacred pilgrimage, anything in which you can contemplate your motivations, your personal values and your principles and get closer to your authentic self. So when you allow yourself time to tune into your inner guiding light, you will hear the answers that you need and you will grow wise beyond your years. So find your light, shine on your soul, and create your unique path. And you'll see what lies ahead of you, not miles upon miles, but enough to know where to step next. And then from there, you can take one step at a time. Now, when it comes to relationships and love, the Hermit implies that you just want to be alone for the time being. The Hermit is this very solitary figure, and like him, you need to have some time on your own to figure things out about your relationships with others. Now, if you're searching for love, then the Hermit suggests that maybe now is not quite the best time to start a new relationship. Don't be scared to take some time alone to tune into your own inner self and connect on a deeper level with your soul. Alternatively, romantic relationships may simply just not be a priority for you right now. Now, when it comes to career, work and finances, you might be inclined to work independently, pursuing an individual project or a research assignment. You are the type of person who prefers to avoid distractions, so that way you can concentrate and listen to your inner wisdom and do the deep work. Now, in a finance reading, the Hermit suggests that you may go through a period of letting go of some of your material possessions so that you can free up time and space for spiritual pursuits. Maybe you're more attracted to a minimalist lifestyle. You feel uninclined to buy new items or hoard possessions. And money and material possessions are just not a high priority right now. Now, if you see the Hermit in a spiritual reading, this card often symbolizes a lifelong journey of spiritual discovery. And you are called to this period of deep self-reflection and searching within your soul for guidance. It might be as simple as meditating for 5 minutes a day, or it could be a little bit more extreme, like taking a vow of silence for months or years. Now, the Hermit may also appear in your life as a spiritual mentor who's here to raise your vibration and enhance your consciousness. And the beauty of this mentor is that while they may be an expert in their own right, they will teach you how to find your own answers within you. Now, what if you see the Hermit reversed in your tarot reading? Well, it can go one of two ways. Maybe you're not taking enough time for personal reflection, or you're actually taking too much. So if you struggle to connect with your spiritual self, the Hermit reversed encourages you to create more space to meditate and reflect. It's time to go deeper into your inner being and rediscover your greater purpose on this earth. Maybe you've been so busy dealing with the day-to-day issues that you've forgotten to listen to your inner voice. So the Hermit asks you to search deep within your soul and to really help you find your way again and focus on rebuilding yourself on a spiritual level. Now, if you've already been spending a lot of time reflecting on your inner self, then the reversed Hermit may suggest that you are starting to cut yourself off from others to your detriment. So don't underestimate the value of staying connected with others, even while you're going through your own spiritual journey. Now, if you want to learn more about the tarot cards, I've got something really special for you. It is my Tarot Card Meanings Reference Guide, and it is absolutely free. Just click on the link below to get access to this beautiful resource, and you will never go blank in a reading again. And if you want to learn more about how to read tarot in a more modern and approachable way, there's so much for you to explore at Biddy Tarot, because we have helped millions of people around the world to connect with their intuition using tarot cards as a guide, and we would love to help you do the same. So take the next step in your tarot journey by clicking below. Hey, if you loved this video, then make sure you check out this next video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.